Cleaning commercial properties is a huge part of what we do at Pristine Powerwash. Our team of certified boom lift operators always put safety first. Before we even start the job, all safety precautions are implemented. We make sure that all gutters and downspouts are free and clear of all debris. While we're cleaning out the gutters, we always ensure that the sidewalks and surrounding areas are cleared from any fallen gutter debris. We can also clean inside the breezeways of unwanted spiderwebs, insects, and organic growth, as well as clean the floors and walls. We use our soft wash system in the cleaning of the exteriors so that every guest can enjoy a clean space. We get up close and personal with every balcony and make sure that each resident's exterior area is clean for them to enjoy. We include cleaning the clubhouse exterior for free with every commercial property. Check out our list of commercial references and book an appointment at pristinepowerwash.com.